Hello viewers, today we are going to discuss on bilabial plosive sounds. Bilabial plosive sounds. Now, these sounds are P and B sound. We are going to discuss their place and manner of articulations with examples. Now, the term bilabial refers to the fact that both lips are involved in the articulation of such sounds. The upper lip and the lower lip are involved. Now this is the diagram. In this diagram, we'll come to see that this particular place is the upper lip and this is the lower lip. Both are involved in the articulation of these two bilabial sounds, P and B sound. Now, how do we produce these sounds? The first step is by what? The lip closure. We have to close the lips together, the upper lip and the lower lip at the same time, like this. Then the second step is what? To build up pressure. Pressure. How do we build up the pressure? By mustering air in the mouth, like. And then the third step will be the abrupt release of air or sudden release of the air, alright, by opening the lips. This will result in the production of these two plosive sounds. Then comes the aspect of voice or voiceless. The bilabial plosive sound P is voiceless. Remember, I once told you that there are two ways of identifying whether a sound is either voiced or voiceless. The first step is by placing your fingers, two fingers on your throat. Second, your palm on your head. Now, this bilabial plosive P sound is voiceless, meaning what? The vocal cords do not vibrate during its production. Let's do it together like this. When you do that, you will notice that there is no sense of vibration on your throat. The second option is this. No vibration. If you were to add vocal cord vibration to the sound, it will become a voiced bilabial plosive. B sound. B sound. Now, if you were to place your two fingers on your throat like this and produce the sound B, 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 you will notice that the sound produced a kind of vibration on your throat. You will notice a sense of vibration. Also, when you do this, B, 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 another sense of vibration. Now, the only difference between these two sounds, P and B sound, is the presence or absence of voice. Voicing is the difference. One is voiced and the other is voiceless. Let's move on. Now, let's have the examples of the bilabial plosive P sound. We are going to begin with the word initial examples, where the sound comes at the word initial. For example, pat, pat, pat. Pin, pin, pin. Peel, peel, peel. Panic, panic, panic. Pizza, pizza, pizza. Patience, 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 patience. Now, we move on to the bilabial plosive p, word medial, where the sound comes at the middle of a word. Happy, happy, happy. Now here, I want to call our attention to this particular place. Some of the second language speakers of English language will produce this sound as p, or this word happy, happy. No, English language has no gemination. We'll come to discuss that in the future about this aspect, where we are going to have two consonant sounds coming together but produced as one. For example, happy, topic, topic, capable, 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 tropical, 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 tropical. Now, let's move on to the bilabial plosive word final, where the sound comes at the end of a word. Lamp, 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 lamp. Step, step. Stop, stop. Sleep, sleep. Help, help, help. Now, let's move on to the second category of this particular lecture, which is bilabial plosive b sound, voiced b sound. Word initial, ballet, 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 ballet. The T is silent, ballet. And also remember what I told you, where you have two consonant sounds coming together. In English language, they are produced as a single sound, not ballet or ballet, but ballet, ballet. The T is silent. Banana, 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 banana. Befriend, befriend, befriend. Bucket, bucket, bucket. All these sounds have b sound at the beginning of the word. Breeze, breeze. The next example of this bilabial plosive b sound is word medial, where it comes at the middle of a word. Cupboard, cupboard, cupboard. Here, the p is silent, or the letter p is silent. Alright? Not cupboard, but cupboard, cupboard, cupboard. This particular letter is silent in the utterance or the production. Robust, 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 robust. Umbrella, umbrella, umbrella. Bubble, bubble. Another example of gemination. Not bubble, but bubble, bubble. Just a single P is pronounced or produced, not double, not the two. Now we come to the final aspect of these examples, which is word final of bilabial plosive b sound, where the sound comes at the end of the word. Globe, globe, globe. Sub, sub. Web, web. Suburb, suburb, suburb. Rib, rib, rib. Now go master these sounds, bring your own examples, write them in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.